What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. It's Brenda, right along with her Bruce Lee glasses on. She's undercover work right now. We're heading off to our first job. Only job, but it's a well-paying carpet cleaning job today. First day of the new year, and I'm pretty excited. What's up, guys? Just 1 second before the video starts. I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, this is a repeat customer. They actually clean these carpets as they put the house on the market. But the buyers required them to clean it again, so we're back. So you can tell the carpets don't look bad at all. They shouldn't. Yeah, just normal stuff, repair stuff they need to get fixed. But overall, these carpets not in too bad shape. We got that looks like food. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and treat this with before we get to it, if in case there's any color organic staining gonna be involved. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with the 20 volume right now. I know we got a couple other spots in here that we need to hit. So she doesn't know what this is, and she said it was underneath the pool table. And to me, it looks like it probably was a spill, and maybe wicking. So I'm gonna do another 20 volume job on here right now, and let that do its thing if it is working. Okay, so last time we were here, the bed was right here, and they had a large coffee spill here. It's been there for a while, so I did treat it, and you can tell it came up pretty good in that area, but this was underneath the bed. This is Target tannin right here. This is for like water stains, you know, and organic staining, such as like what the 20 volume does. I'm gonna do half of this stain here with that, and I'm gonna do half of the staining with the 20 volume. I'm gonna let that sit as well as long as possible before we actually do the extraction, and hopefully we get some great results out of that. But just curious to see how well the 20 volume goes against the Target tannin as far as with coffee stains. Alright, we'll keep those there. Look around, see if there's any other. Actually, she doesn't know what this was. She said this was actually, she said it was wood there, so she doesn't think it was rust or anything like that. So I'm not going to treat it as rust. I need to put some more target tannin on it and treat it as some kind of water stain. I remember last time we were here, this area was really the worst area. The office chair was dragging around and I'm breaking up the fibers. Rubber chairs too, so doesn't look too bad. Now this area right here, she said was under the bed. It could have been there when she moved here. So she's been here for, I don't know, 15 years. So I'm just gonna go ahead and treat this with, she said it could be like pet stain or something. I might treat it with the 20 volume right now and let that sit. So hopefully we get some good luck with that. Other than that, this rest of this house is just normal cleaning. Large areas. Let me check my phone here. Okay, so I counted up the areas. Actually, I gave her the estimate that I did last time and added the stairs. She wants me to do the stairs, but we're gonna do VLM on the stairs because she said that the rug that they laid down comes up really easy. So. Okay, so we're not going to be pre-scrubbing this carpet, just spots. I'm bringing out my little hand drill. This is hit little spots here and there, but not necessary for this carpet. No heavy wear, traffic pattern wear, or anything like that. So, like I said, we cleaned this probably about 2 months ago. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my hoses, already pre-sprayed, and we'll extract. Alright, so this is that coffee stain. As you can tell, the part I treated with the tannin product and versus the 20 volume, looks like it's about the same. Tannin product may be a little bit better. This is on this end right here. And that was there for a long time. So all this was here for a year. So so basically, a lot of people say, well, it doesn't really matter if it's been there forever or not. It just depends, right? If there's artificial coloring in that coffee, if there's creamer, the creamer actually has artificial color in it sometimes, and then The coffee could be decaffeinated, and decaffeinated coffee has artificial coloring in it, if you didn't know that. So that can dye the fibers, you know, over time, permanently. So looks a lot better. I just hit it with the tannin again. I'm gonna let that sit again. And then before I leave this room, I'm gonna hit it again. I'm gonna do the rest of this here, and then I'll hop back over here and get it again. And if it doesn't disappear, what I'll do is I'll hit it with the 20 volume and just let it sit as a post spray. Spray and walk away type of deal. All right. So a lot of people, well, let me ask you a question. What do you think does a better job at cleaning carpets? A portable or a truck mount? I'm giving you time. So I'll tell you this, a portable cleans just as good as a truck mount. The benefits that truck mounts have is productivity, is speed. You got more suction. That means you can pull that wand a lot quicker while getting the maximum amount of moisture out, right? With most portables, depth is slower. Make sure you get that, and you need to do at least 2 to 3 dry strokes in order to get that maximum amount of suction. So if you're getting into the business and you're wondering, and you hear a lot of bad talk about portables, well, they obviously don't know what they're talking about if they're saying portables just suck. Yeah, if you got a big budget, they suck, but if you're just starting out, portable works just as well. Just takes you longer. Okay? You gotta pull it in the house a lot of the times and stuff. So I started out with the portable, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. It all depends on your chemistry. Your chemistry, and your agitation. So that little spot I treated, that I was talking about, there was wood there, but so I didn't think it was rust, so it disappeared. Alright guys, so finished up with all the hot water extraction. I'm gonna knock these stairs out with the Orc here. Orc costs about 375 bucks, I believe, brand new. I got this one used years ago. Still working for me. So, yeah. Great tool. I still use this a lot of the time for small areas and stairs and stuff, so. Alright guys, all wrapped up. Finished off with everything. Stairs came out good. Job started at 10. It's 11:57. I don't know if you can see on the very top there. So it took 2 hours. Grand total 448. So that is 240 an hour. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment, and you can see me do what I do every day, and the products I use and tools I use, and advice for you newbies. All right, see you in the next one.